Very good afternoon, children. Welcome to Narayana live class. Today I am going to explain about assignment 9 from 6th class. The topic is exercise 4.2, the question number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let us discuss the first assignment question. Use the figure to name. Is given relevant figure and 4 relevant questions. The first question is line containing point Q. So the point Q, how many lines can passes through this point Q? That is, one line is AQ and one more line is EF. Yes, AQ and EF. These two are the lines can passes through point Q. Next, line passing through point P. How many lines passes through this point P? That is AQ and BC. AQ, comma BC. Next, line on which D lies. If you take a point D, which lies on which line? That is AQ line. AQ line. AQ line. So from this, what is the fourth one? What do you refer the lines AQ and BC, AQ and EF? If you, by seeing these two lines, if you take this AQ as well as BC and EF as well as AQ. So these two lines are intersecting lines. Those two are intersecting at one point. So if you take EF as well as AQ also, these two are intersecting at one point. So what is the name of these lines? This is intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. The nature of these lines is intersecting lines. Let's go for the second one. Use the figure to name. He is given relevant figure and 4 relevant questions. That is, what are the points? Okay. So from this we have to identify. So how many points are there? Just we have to list out. That is point O, A, B, C, D, E. If you take these, all are the points located on the line. Next, a line, we have to write any 4 lines. Okay, from this figure we have to identify any 4 lines, that is DE as well as DB, DE as well as DB, and we can also say that what EO as well as BO. This is 4 lines now, DE, DB, EO, BO. Yes, same. And one, what are the, we have to write any 4 rays from this figure. Can you take, it is a point O, so OA is 1 ray and OB is 1 ray and OC also 1 ray and OD also. Okay, what is the definition of ray? Having only one fixed point and so there is no ending point. Okay, that like this we can take OA. OA is 1 ray and OB is 1 ray. Next OC bar and OD also. OD also 1 of the ray. Next, line segment, any 4 line segment. What are the 4 any line segment? You can take from this figure, you can write it as what? DE is 1 line segment and this is DE is 1 line segment, OE or else EO. So OE or else EO, both are line segments. No, we can take OC as well as OB. OC as well as OB. Those are the line segments. Let us discuss third question. Using the below figure, that is state true or false. This is the relevant figure. According to this figure, so is given 4 questions. You have to say whether it is true or false. We'll see whether it is true or false. The first one is Q, M, O, N, P are the points on the line L or not. Let's see. This is one line L. So these points Q, M, O, N, P all are the points on this line. So the given statement is true statement. The given statement is what? True statement. Let's see the second statement. M is a point on ray OP. What is OP? Here it is a OP is one of the ray. Now tell me, is there any point on this ray OP? No. But he is telling M is a point on ray OP. So the given statement is false statement. Next, O is not an initial point of OP. This is OP. OP is one of the ray, right? So O is initial point. But what is telling? O is not an initial point. So that this statement also false statement. Next, ray OM is same as ray OP. OM. So which is OM? OM is ray, it is not a ray, it is a line segment. What about OP? OP is a ray. Okay. So what is telling? Ray OM is same as ray OP. OP is a ray but OM is line segment. These two are not same. So the given statement also false statement. False statement. Thank you.